Today we are going to be informing you guys about Ventis Workspace. And to do that with me is Miss Eloho.
Hi, Sonia.
Yeah, she's going to be briefing us about the workspace and how to go about it. So, Miss Eloho, can you give us an insight about Ventis Workspace?
Sure, I will. That's why we are here.
Yeah.
Okay, so the workspace, Ventis Workspace, is an office we created in Ventis for freelancers, for remote workers, for people who generally want to work away from home.
Okay.
All right. So Ventis has this ambience that boosts your productivity while you work. And there's this saying that if you work with like-minded people, if you're lagging and you're with like-minded people, they'll give you this boost you need. So in Ventis Workspace, we also have other persons who use it, who are doing the same thing as you, who necessarily do not have to do the same thing as you, but of course they're working and you see that everybody's trying to push and but it gives you that ginger, you get. So, and then probably if you're home, you're lagging and you're finding you're lazing around, you know how it can be when you're working from home sometimes. So this is a place where you can come, you can work. There are other persons that will give you that boost you need, and the environment is just sweet. I assure you, it's going to boost your productivity.
Okay. Now, tell us, what are the requirements to actually come to Ventis Workspace to work?
In order to use our workspace,
you
have to first register on our website.
Yeah.
And you can also register here at the office here in Ventis. Yeah, and the prices is very affordable. The prices of our workspace are really, really affordable. Yes. And then aside, I only talked about where you can come and work and all of that. We also release our offices for conference. If you have conference, you want to, have a mini conference, you can use our workspace for that. And it's very affordable. Very, very affordable.
That's nice. Yes. So you can actually register online. The website is on the screen, or you can come to the workspace here at Ventis and do all your registration like she said. Yes. So we'll hope to see you soon. Come out of your comfort zone and make something good for yourself. Thank you.